Hey there! Frustrated because Cash App isn't letting you send money? You're not alone. This guide will show you how to fix Cash App not letting me send money. Cash App is a convenient way to manage money transfers on the go, but when issues arise, it can be frustrating. Stick around as we explore practical steps to get your transaction moving smoothly again. Check your internet connection. The first thing to consider is your internet connection. Ensure that your smartphone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or has a strong mobile data signal. A weak connection might prevent the Cash App from processing your transaction. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router and device to refresh the connection. Verify your account balance. Next, double-check your Cash App account balance to ensure you have enough funds for the transaction. Your balance includes your available Cash App funds and linked bank account. Remember, if your balance is below the amount you wish to send, Cash App won't complete the transaction. Top up your account if needed, or link to a new payment method to facilitate the transfer. Complete your identity verification. Cash App may restrict transactions if your identity hasn't been fully verified. To prevent this, complete your identity verification within the app. Navigate to your profile settings and follow the prompts to provide the necessary information, such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Completing this will lift transaction limits and prevent future blockages. Review payment details. Errors in payment details can also halt your transaction. Double-check the recipient's information, such as their cash tag, phone number, or email address. A small typo can cause the transaction to fail. Also, confirm that the recipient has an active Cash App account to receive the money. Correct any discrepancies and attempt to send the money again. Update Cash App. Running an outdated version of the Cash App can lead to compatibility issues. Regularly update the app via your device's app store to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Having the latest version installed prevents glitches and improves overall app performance, including processing transactions. Security and fraud prevention measures. Cash App occasionally flags transactions as potential fraud for security reasons. If you suspect this is the case, contact Cash App support for assistance. They may require verification or additional information to confirm the transaction's legitimacy. This process, while inconvenient, helps protect your funds and personal information. Contact Cash App support. If you've tried all these steps and still face issues, it might be time to contact Cash App support. Access the help section within the app or visit the Cash App website to find customer service options. Provide them with detailed information regarding your issue to receive precise and timely assistance. In conclusion, troubleshooting why Cash App isn't letting you send money involves checking your internet connection, verifying account balance, ensuring identity verification, correcting payment details, updating the app, and understanding security measures. Implementing these practical steps should resolve most common issues, getting your transactions back on track efficiently. Remember, financial transactions require safety, so always ensure your device is secure and practice caution when using money transfer apps. Stay informed and manage your finances smartly with Cash App.